Hello viewers. Today, we will talk about how scientists' shocking new find changes everything in the Sahara Desert. As you know that Sahara is the largest desert, spanning several nations. If we look at the map of Africa, especially the southern region, it shows lush vegetation and greenery, but things change when you travel north. So what happened to this large sterile lush green land which has become mostly sand region now? We need to look back thousands of years to get the answer to this question. Sahara has experienced alternating periods of aridity and humidity. The tilt of the Earth's orbital axis, which alters the angle at which solar radiation enters the atmosphere, causes oscillations. More solar energy has historically entered during the West African monsoon season. More rainfalls happened over North Africa during this humid African period. As a result, this area gained more lakes, rivers, and vegetation. But something weird occurred between 8,000 and 4,500 years ago. It accelerated the change from humid to dry. Orbital precession alone couldn't account for this. David Wright, an archaeologist, explained what happened. He gathered environmental and archaeological data from sediment cores and pollen records that were all dated to the same time. In all of these, he noticed a pattern. The results indicated that pastoralists were present during the period. Therefore, grassland was hopscotched by humans and their domesticated animals, and everything was converted to desert and bushes. As a result of overgrazing, atmospheric moisture decreased. The humid period ended as a result, more abruptly. Do you believe whales formerly roamed the African savanna? Indeed, there is proof of this. A group of geologists rode their camels to a valley in the western desert of Egypt in 1902. They found whale bones, some measuring 50 feet long. These skeletons were found to be 37 million years old, from when a tropical, shallow sea covered this area and all of northern Egypt. These whales had feet, which was a clue. According to scientists, whales were previously extraterrestrial creatures that migrated to the ocean, losing their legs. You must be aware of the lost city of Atlantis. How this relates to the Sahara Desert would surprise you. This leads us to the Richat structure, often known as the Eye of the Sahara. A large bull's eye-shaped geological structure can be seen in the Sahara Desert. Gemini astronauts captured the first image of it in the 1960s. This area is a geological dome, according to examinations of the rocks found there. 100-million-year-old rocks can be found there. Igneous volcanic deposit is present in the rocks. We shall now discuss the finding of an object whose purposes are still unknown. It is known as Clayton Ring. The fact that it was discovered in a very hostile Saharan location is even more astonishing. These are cylinder-shaped items with ends that open on both sides. They were thought to be handcrafted by potters. What led people to carry Clayton rings deep into the large desert during that time? It is still a mystery. We will come back with more such videos. Keep watching Business Upside. What's trending now?